This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your YouTube channel is linked to Google Ads and billing is active. Once done, choose a clear campaign goal, brand awareness versus lead generation, because that drives bidding and ad format. Next, upload your video creative, short bumper ads or skippable in-stream of 15-120 seconds. Make sure to name assets clearly and add a CTA overlay. You then set targeting basics, country, language, and budget per day. These first steps get the campaign scaffold ready for detailed setup. Now you refine who sees your video. Choose demographics, interests, topics, keywords, or specific placements. This determines reach and relevance. Once chosen, pick a bidding strategy. Maximize conversions if you track actions, or target CPM for visibility. Make sure to align bid type with your goal. Then build ad groups, attach the exact video creative, and set schedules and frequency caps to avoid ad fatigue. You should also add companion banners and a strong CTA. These boost click-throughs and conversion chances. You're ready to launch. Enable conversion tracking and link Google Analytics so you can measure CTR, view rate, and CPA. Once live, monitor performance daily and make calculated changes after 3-7 days to allow learning. Adjust bids, swap creatives, or tweak targeting based on data. Make sure to use experiments for a /B testing rather than blind edits. If things go wrong, low view rate or high CPA, test a new creative. Broaden targeting slightly or increase bids. That single diagnostic step often reveals the needed fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.